Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unsend a message online. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, after that click on one of your chats, and then if you want to unsend a message you have to tap on it for a few seconds, and then you can see this pop-up menu and you can see the unsend option, and click on that, and the selected messages will be deleted from all of your devices. Continue if you want, and then click on the unsend, and then you are all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.